Hi everyone. So today I'm going to explain about Slack employee help agent. So while creating an agent, so in recent days I have seen like few of new agent types has been added. I can see Slack employee help, Slack customer insight, and Slack onboarding. So these are the agents which I am able to see and I am able to create, which is available. So I have created a Slack employee agent. So let me walk through the full entire steps what I have performed and how I am able to connect it with Slack and how it is performing. So just how we are able to connect this Slack employee help agent with the Slack. So first let me create the agent. That's the same Slack employee agent. So let me save this. So let me commit this version. So I didn't make any changes on this agent. So I straight away click new agent, select this type, and I have just created this agent and activate it. So there is one step missing, but I'll explain while going through the Slack. So now my agent has been created in Salesforce and it's active. So let me go to my Slack environment. So I am now in Slack. This is my Slack environment. So let me go for manage Salesforce organizations. So here I need to connect to an existing org. So let me go to this org. That's this. Go for my domain. So copy the URL of this. Paste it here. https:// So I want my email should be used. So waiting for Salesforce or admin approval. So waiting for approval. So we need to go to the org. We need to go for manage Slack connection. So here pending request. So user confirmation. So my mapping field is email. I'm agree to the terms and conditions and click on approve. So I don't want to provide any digital experience site for now. So if I go to here, waiting for approval, if I refresh, it got ready to activate. So click on view details. So activation is pending. Click on activate. So now it got connected. So my Salesforce organization has been connected. Let me go to Agentforce. Needs review. Slack employee agent. So it's present, which we have activated there. So click on review. If this is the older one, let me refresh. So this is deleted. So this is an older agent which I have created and deleted. So it's showing us no active agents present, but I have an active agent which I have created now and activated, but it's not showing here. So so the reason is we don't have connection with Slack. So let me create a new version of this. So if I go here, so you can see connections. Under connections, you need to add Slack. So you can select Slack as a connection and click to add to agent and save, commit. And activate. So once after doing this step, I'm able to see my agent under the active agents. So let me refresh here. Now I'm able to see two ready to install. So this is the older one. Now you can able to see the ready to install. So click on review and click on allow. So now if I go for active agents, so my Slack employee agent is inactive. So click on manage or edit agent profile. I can change. Oh no, I don't want. So let me refresh. So I'm able to see my agent now itself, but let me refresh once. So I got my Slack employee agent present here. So I want to add this agent to a specific channel. So before going to that, I can create a channel. So I have created this channel. So let me add this agent to the channel. So how we can do that? Let me go to here. We need to go here itself. We can go for employee agent configurations. So this place, to go to employee agents, add this tab to a channel, and you can select the channel and click on add. So if I go to this, so now I'm able to see this Slack employee agent to this channel has been added. So since I don't have any specific informations present in this agent, so it's like a standard agent, I don't have any data library and any other informations are not present. If I try to ask any other questions also, it won't provide any relevant informations. So for time being, so I'll add one custom actions which I already created. So in the previous demos I used for the case retrieval. So if you want, I can just check something like from my email. So you can fetch. So prior to that, I need to select the ID. Salesforce or Maxi to sign in open Slack. Go to the Salesforce section. So as per the mentioning, let's we are not connecting to this agent Salesforce or Maxi. Sign in open Slack preference. Go to the Salesforce section. So let me go to the agent. Click on new version. So let me add a new sub-agent. So just to retrieve the case details as part of this employee Slack agent. So let me case retriever. So let me add actions. So second one is the one collect. So let me provide some small instructions. If user request for case details, retrieve the action. Status This is just to test it out. So since other actions or subagents doesn't have any information, so it won't be providing the correct details. So let me try a custom subagent and along with the informations which I have present here. So let me activate here. So now my agent is active. So let me preview it once before testing it in Slack. Get the case details of new status. So I'm able to see subject, status. So I'm able to see both the details of that. Let me go to here and let me just prior to that, let me refresh once. Connected to Agentforce, Salesforce, or Maxi. To sign in, open Slack preference and go to Salesforce session. So I got the reason. So I have figured out the reason why it got shown this error. So zoom out a bit. So here I have my profile icon. Need to go for preference. So here I have Salesforce. So my org is not connected, so that's the reason. So let me sign in. Getting to Salesforce. So this is my org. So let me choose. So now my account got connected. So let me close. So let me close this one. Zoom in. So let me try now. Again, the same conversation. Agent, get the case details of new status. So now I'm able to see organizing, processing, review the findings, putting it all together. Now I'm able to get the details that are present in the Salesforce org. So, but the details which I fetched are not correctly showing all the information. So there are few things which are not correctly displayed. So there are multiple cases within a few of the case subjects to view in detail. So these are the details which it's fetching. So there are one thing which I forget to mention. So we need to go to the current user. We are connected with Slack. So let me go to the permission set. Show file. So let me go to permission set itself. Permission set. So Agentforce Slack employee agent permissions. So let me go to agent access. Edit. For access. Save. My user. Edit. And this permission. Save. So let me go here. Refresh. review, get the case details. So now I'm able to get the details of that. So these are some of the additional steps which we need to ensure, like the employee agent access has been provided, and here also whether the org has been connected or not. So let me ask another one question. Show the org ID. So whether it's able to fetch or not, you can check. So it was not able to access those information. Okay, let me add few more details instead of status. So status is already which we are saying as new, so it's not showing the status. So let me add priority subject ID of the record, just to ensure whether it's getting the details or not. Origin ID, case number, get the case details of new status. Yeah, now I'm able to get all those details. So let me try the same informations now, whether it's getting reflected immediately. So let me refresh once. Go to here, select that. Explode. So now I'm able to see the case number so along the subject of the case. So this is how you can connect with the Slack with Agentforce agents. So first you need to create an agent, activate it, and that agent should have a connection with the Slack. So that is the key point. So after activating and adding these connections and activating, so it will be shown under the Agentforce. So you need to go here under Manage Agentforce. You can see the agent which has a connection of Slack here. So under Need Review, so ready to install, and you need to click under, you need to allow, so that it will come under active agents. Once it come under active agents, here the agent will be present. So under the agent, you can go to the agent and you can add the agent to a specific channel, which whatever channel you want, you can add that agent. So that's the key things which you want to consider. So that's it for today. Thank you.